Welcome back. In part 1, you learn the basics. Now we continue with teachers, corrections, and role-playing. Part 1. Be my teacher. Ask the AI to be a teacher or tutor.
Naturally, I am your patient language teacher.
Can you be my tutor? Be a patient teacher. Be a friendly tutor.
Your turn. Be my personal language teacher.
Part 2. Request corrections. Ask the AI to correct your mistakes.
Please correct me.
Clear. I'll gently correct you and explain why.
I definitely make a lot of mistakes.
Mistakes are good. That's the best way to learn.
I am ashamed of my mistakes.
No worries. I don't judge. We learn together.
Correct my mistakes. Show me my mistakes. What did I say wrong? Is that right? Have I made a mistake? Correct my grammar.
Your turn. Tell me if I make mistakes.
Part 3. Demand explanations. Ask the AI to explain things.
Please explain that.
I'd be happy to explain that. Here is a simple example.
Can you explain that? I don't understand. Explain it more simply. Why is that? Give me an example. Explain the rule.
Your turn. Can you explain that again?
Part 4. Demand repetition. Ask the AI to repeat something.
Please repeat that.
No problem. I repeat it more slowly.
Can you repeat that? Puoi ripeterlo? Again, please. Say that again. Slow down, please. Repeat more slowly.
Your turn. Can you repeat this more slowly?
Part 5. Demand roleplay. Practice real situations.
Let's role play.
Great idea. In which situation would you like to practice?
Play a role. Be a waiter.
Good day. What it may be.
Be a salesman. Be a taxi driver. Simulate a conversation. Let's pretend.
Your turn. Practice a restaurant scenario with me.
Part 6. Politeness. Good to practice, just like in real life.
Please. Thanks. Thank you. That would be very nice. Could you please? Would you please?
Your turn. I would be very grateful to you.
Part 7. Complete sample prompts. You can copy and use these directly.
Hello. Welcome. I'd be happy to help you learn. What would you like to practice today?
Please be a patient teacher and correct my mistakes. Let's practice a cafe scenario. You are the waiter.
Perfect. I'm ready to practice a coffee shop conversation with you. You are the customer.
Your turn.
Quick repeat. Let's practice the most important sentences again.
Your turn. Be my teacher. Your turn. Please correct me. Your turn. Please explain that. Your turn. Please repeat that. Your turn. Let's role play. Your turn. Thanks.
Try it now. Open ChatGPT and write exactly this sentence.
Hello, I'm happy to be your language teacher. Just right away, I'll correct you gently and explain everything.
Tip. You can also just start chatting. Write anything in your target language. The AI understands you and helps. Excellent. You now know all the important phrases to ask AI for help learning a language. In the next lesson, we will practice your first real conversation, a cafe roleplay. See you then?